Good morning. What it do, Butler crew? This morning we are getting ready to bring the boys to program. Me and mommy are gonna have a little bit of a alone time. That's gonna be fun. So the boys, they go to Woods School, Woods program. It's a school that's completely in the woods, and along with homeschooling, they go there. Jay goes 3 times a week, and Tyson goes 1 time a week, and they really love it. It's really 100% outside, and they learn through nature. And yeah, so we're getting ready to bring them there. And after that, me and mom are gonna have a little alone time to ourselves. It's gonna be fun. Oh yeah. What you doing, bud? Getting ready for program? You making your lunch, man? Nice. Man, you're a big boy, huh? You excited for program, buddy?
Not very much.
You gonna have fun? You always have fun, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You've been off for a while now, huh? Almost a month and a half. You'll be able to have lots of fun today with your friends, right?
Yeah. I have a pen. I have an apple. Pen, apple.
Apple. Pineapple pen. Breakfast is served.
I don't even like eggs.
Bon appetit.
I don't even like eggs.
You don't like eggs alone, but you like it in your sandwich.
Yeah, but they're not even any in a sandwich.
Okay, so don't eat those. I'll eat them. You can eat your sandwich.
I will.
You'll have them, right?
I will.
Yeah, is it
Your
good?
eggs?
Is your sandwich good, buddy? Yeah. The princess is getting ready. Hello. What's up? Making yourself pretty? That's not too hard, huh? Man, you're a real ninja, huh?
No.
What you doing there?
I'm just carving my stick so I can make it Sharpie. So if
Nice.
someone tries to mess with me, I'm gonna go.
No, you ain't gonna do that. Relax, little boy.
Watch out, Ty. Go down.
Where'd you learn to carve?
I'm at school.
Nice. At your program, huh?
Yeah.
You like doing that stuff?
Yeah, it's fun.
Nice. All right, we gotta get going. So yesterday at this exact same spot, I was bringing Jay to his program, and I saw police behind me, so I was wondering what's up. So he puts his sirens on, so I pull over, and he comes to the window and he says, you know you have no insurance on your car, right? I'm like, no, I don't know that. He's like, yeah, since October you don't have insurance on your car. I'm like, are you serious? So he says, you have to leave your car here, call a taxi, call a towing. I won't give you a ticket, but you have to get that dealt with. I says, wow, I'm from Montreal. So in Montreal, we don't have to renew our insurances. We just pay, and then the insurances automatically renew it on their own. So I had no idea that I had to renew my insurances. So wow, since October, that's like 5 months. Yeah, a good 4 or 5 months that we had no insurance on the car. Good thing nothing happened. Could have been really devastating. Something bad could have really happened. So in my bad luck, I was pretty lucky. Wow. So JJ on Wednesdays, he goes to a different location. Mondays and Tuesdays, they're at the school in the woods, and every Wednesday.
I always stay on my program.
Yeah, we're gonna bring you to your program at the school, huh, buddy?
Yeah, I've been at
But JJ, he goes to a different field trip every Wednesday, so it's really fun for him. Gonna have fun today, buddy?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice little spot they're gonna play today at. JJ's friends are all there. What's up, little artist? You got the rhythm in your blood, huh, buddy? That's a nice sound that it's making, huh? You ready? We're gonna bring you to your program now.
Bye, gang. See you guys.
Bye, Jim.
Bye, buddy. I love you.
I love you. Bye.
Quick, Ty. Quick, buddy. It's your program time. Let's go.
On est arrivé. Taille, attention le tout recule, mon amour. Vas-y par là.
We are here, buddy.
On est à l'école.
Let me see it. Oh, whoa. That thing's about to fall out, huh? Hold on. Open your mouth. No, I'm not going to touch it. Open it.
Non, mais I.
Oh! I guess a tooth fairy's gonna come and visit you soon, huh? Someone's excited to get there. So nervous 2 minutes ago. Hey.
Hi. Hi.
Hey. Hey. Bye, buddy. Can we get a hug?
Somebody might grab my tail.
Bye, mon amour.
Have a good day, bud. Love you. Alrighty. So we are alone. Oh yeah. No kids. Just me and Boo. Oh yeah. So, what you want to do, Boo? Should we show the Butler crew that nice spot that we discovered the other day? Yeah? That's a nice spot, huh?
Right.
Alright, let's go there. Let's go. We are so fortunate to be in Canada and have weather like this. We're beginning of February and it's beautiful out. Look at this. No snow. Ocean everywhere. Beautiful girl. Woo! I'm a lucky man. No, but for real. Like seriously. I love these conditions. How can you get sick of this? All right, a little beach workout. Let's go. Let's go. One more.
So cover me, 'cause I'ma let you out, I'ma let you in. You're my enemy. If you would let me go, I will let you in.
Kim and I are really outdoorsy people. We love nature and we're so privileged to be on the island here. We have nature, everything around us. It's crazy. Oceans, trails, and we're so grateful to be here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We're getting closer, Butler crew. Can't wait to show you guys this. It's a beautiful trail. If you listen closely, you can almost hear it. Let's go. So refreshing. Wow. Check that out. That's what we want to show you guys.
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you want to glimpse the future, you need space. And you said you'll put down your morning guns. Would you follow me to wander? Take my hand and walk beside me in a world of thunder. Fear is an imposter. When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in. So the days became weeks, it felt just like the night before. You were slowly fading in my mind. When you left, I was so completely gone, but now I'm sure you were some of the best of things to find. Would you follow me to wander? If you're matters to me, makes me wonder why I can't get over.
The beauties of nature. God has created some beautiful stuff on this earth. Wow. Hey!
Find it hard to not give in.
Teddy!
Tellement cute.
Teddy! Come on! What's up?
Oh, hi, Tiki.
What's up,
Oh my
buddy?
God. Oh, hi. So cute. Oh,
He'll stick his tongue up your nose. It's kinda interesting.
He is too cute. How old is he?
9.5.
9 and wow.
Oh my God.
So small, huh?
C'est tellement cute. J'en veux un. Oh, he's so cute.
Wow, super cute.
Oh, wow.
Breaking an entry into the lagoon.
Déchire pas tes pantalons, mon mec. Oh, attention. Faut que je passe le mou aussi, là. Oh boy.
Okay, your turn.
C'est moins drôle, là.
Let's go. Show us what you got. Come on. Let's go. Yay, good job. All right, let's go for a little jog. Let's go. Let's go. Let's
You know
go.
that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us. I won't give up on you.
Oh wow,
I will be
look at a mountain over there. I don't know if you guys can see that from here. Let me try to zoom in. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a huge mountain over there. I'm not sure what mountain that is, but wow, I don't know if my camera's picking that up. It's beautiful. Magnifico, baby.
As I'm walking to your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the words in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. It's like you almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on.
Come on, round 2. You got it. Let's go. I don't know why they closed this down. I guess they must be doing repairs or something on the lagoon. Oh yeah, that was a good workout. Okay, time to get something to eat.
J'ai faim.
I'm starving. Let's
Un
go.
bon McDo.
No.
I'm just joking.
Some good old Edo Japan. I'm starving. Oh yeah, let's go. Bon appetit. Enjoy. Good workout, good food, good times. Well,
C'est bon.
that was good. It did its job.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, some good food after a great workout.
Don't forget to drink water.
So that was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed riding along with us. Little workout, a little bit of nature, get to see our areas and what we live with. And it was just good to have time with Kim. We don't get too much time alone because we're always with the boys. And it's good that they started their program again. Gives us time together. And the fact that I was off from work, obviously we've been together a lot more lately. But even when I get back to work, my intentions are to be able to at least take my Wednesday off. And yeah, spend more time with Kim. That'd be great. It's important as a couple to spend time together and connect and have those quality times. So hope you guys enjoyed, and till next time, peace.
'Cause you're